All right, here is the opening, the front door. There's the office door. There's the door to bedroom 2. There's the wiring across. All right, here's coming into the foyer. Here's coming into the office. Here's walking into the great room.
Anybody would make simple. You're not gonna know. Things are gonna crash eventually anyways. It's just what happens. Start with it.
Here's bedroom 2. It's your water and gas lines. Water lines going over to the bathroom. Here's the closet. There's your main gas feed coming into the house, going across the rafters. Here's the back side of the tub. The plumbing on the back side of the stand-up shower. There's your stand-up shower. There's your water line coming into the toilet. Plumbing and water coming into the shower, bathroom. That's your vent out for the plumbing, water lines. This is the back side of the fireplace. This is bedroom 3. There's the meter can, main power coming into the house. Dining room.
Sí, güey, al centro de 2x4 ya nomás en una orilla le haces el hoyo. Y el conector del otro, del grande,
The AC lines going to the outside for the units. Across. It's the bar area for the sink. Plumbing and power. Gas line for the stove and power. Hood vent. Air conditioner. There's your gas lines in the ceiling. Pantry, not much to see in here. The mud room, that's going to be the attic access. In the mud room, it's just a linen closet. Here's a utility room. There'll be cabinets across this wall. There's your water lines coming in for the washer. Plumbing for the washer. Drain. Power coming into the breaker panel. Water lines coming in for the main part of the house. There's your sink in the utility room. Walking into the master main bedroom. Here's the little nook in the bedroom. There's the back door. Here are your air-conditioned drain lines running across down the wall to the outside. There's your gas line, your water lines for the water heater. Gas lines coming in from the ceiling. The attic. Coming into the master bath. This will be Jennifer's side. The plumbing for her sink. There's the plumbing for the tub. Walking into the Jennifer's closet. Not a whole lot to see here. This plumbing for her toilet. There's the valves for the shower. Water lines. Coming into my closet. They're going to put a little access port up there. Won't be any plywood, they said. just so they can get to the back of the house so they can foam it and do insulation. So they were going to be bi doors, solid bi doors on the closets, and he thought that the door going into my office was going to be a glass door, so that would be nice. Alright, so I'll come up the stairs. There's your water lines going. Let's go to the shower. Here's your frog bathroom. Plumbing for the frog bathroom. Tub. There's the media panel Brian put in. This is the closet upstairs. Here's the frog. I think that'll do it. It's getting there.